As a kid, I used to love racing in the rain. It was the quintessential art form, a naivety, the carefree spirit of a boy who didn't know any better. During those years, I developed a passion for everything that moment of exuberance enveloped. The bonds of friendships, the love of family, the competition and camaraderie of sports. A few years ago, I reflected back on how that rush of joy wasn't about the rain at all, but the process of embracing life without as much worry and self-doubt, and finding inspiration in yourself and those around you. Racing in the rain was about growing up, losing, loving, learning, and loving again. My role models as a child included Michael Jordan and Greg Norman. Once I realized I was not destined to be like Mike or swing like the shark, my inspirations shifted to those who helped mold my values, my beliefs, my life. My family, specifically my parents, my uncles, and my younger brother, who I'm sure to this day doesn't realize how much I look up to him. An older brother is never supposed to admit such things. Years passed, several of the inspirational presences in my life did as well, but their guidance, after sadness faded into memories, led me back to the same place. Maybe as a kid, I had it right all along. I was outside, racing in the rain. This time it was to avoid the saturation of a brand new shirt, but the symbolism still holds true. I had grown up so much, and learned so much about myself and what I wanted out of life. And here I was, racing through the rain, with nothing but thoughts flooding my mind. Just before I was about to escape the downpour, I stopped and stood still for a good 30 seconds. It was in that moment that I found my true inspiration. I pulled out the back of a business card from my wallet, a random pen from my pocket, and wrote on the back the title of a book I had just finished reading. Believe it or not, it was the first book I had read cover to cover in what seemed like ages. The Art of Racing in the Rain. And below that, I wrote, Fate. To me, inspiration isn't about places or things. It is about people and embracing life's simplicity and its most treasured feeling. I had realized I wasn't racing to get out of the rain, but instead, I was racing to you. And I wanted to tell you how much I loved you as fast as I could.